Hello, my name is Jessica Fellinger, and I did my project on diabetes. There are many people affected by diabetes around the world. Therefore, it is important to help educate and empower people regarding this disease's self-care. The purpose of this project was to do outreach and try to answer people's questions about diabetes. This outreach was performed by posting to Facebook and Instagram platforms about diabetes tips and questions. And at the end of this project, there were 6 questions total asked on the Diabetes Answers Facebook page. The first question was, our 1-year-old has been diagnosed with diabetes. Where is the best place to order supplies? Can diabetes cause you to get short of breath? Just waking up, is there a range your blood sugar should be? Can blood sugars cause a seizure? How do you tell yourself you have diabetes? And I'm drinking this blood circulation tonic, Origins. Is it a good move? There were 53 total followers on the Instagram page at the conclusion of this project. And on Instagram, the highest response was to the first post with over 40 likes, which can be seen right here on the graph. And then after that, many of the posts received less than 10 responses. The highest responses on the Facebook page are shown in the pie chart, and the highest responses to the Facebook posts were 5 likes on 2 separate posts. There was more value, I feel, in the messaging section on Facebook, where people were able to ask the questions that are listed under results. 6 people total asked questions. And I believe that there is value in creating social media content about diabetes. People can see it online and be educated about diabetes. People can ask questions and be heard on these platforms of Instagram and Facebook. Thank you.